Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. Seconds from now, you're going to see a sliding wall mount door that's equipped with soft close hardware. There are several benefits to making sure your sliding doors have this. Look. The soft close hardware is really amazing. No more pinch fingers and no more noise if you need to move in or out of the room peacefully. Be sure to visit the Johnson Hardware website or my AskTheBuilder.com website for more details. The links to both are in the video description. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.